Take a look at some individual stocks. First of all, Tesla. It's up pretty big today. Look at that, $19 higher, 6.7%. It did report its first profit in many years. They're also making and they are selling a lot of those Model 3s. Jeremy Owens is with us. He's the technology editor at MarketWatch. Jeremy is the guy who said that Elon Musk is a jerk. I'll let that comment just sit there for a second, Jeremy. But tell me, can Tesla keep up the profitability?
Well, it certainly seems like it's going to keep up through the end of this year, right? And that's going to be the test, is if this demand goes through into next year. They say they're going to build factories in China and Europe and start building Model 3s there for those communities. So if they're able to do that, they can keep this going. But that's a question, right? We had problems with getting the factory online here in Fremont and getting enough Model 3s out. They have not even started building those factories yet. And they say they're going to start selling next year. We're going to have to see that. They have long had a problem with living up to these types of deadlines that Elon Musk sets.
It occurs to me, Jeremy, that skeptics like yourself and others who've been on this program, you've been overwhelmed by people who see a great future for Tesla.
Sure. And there is a potential great future for Tesla if Elon Musk doesn't get in the way. Remember, Stu, I was on here less than 3 months ago telling you, oh, yeah, last night's conference call for the last earnings report for Tesla, Elon seemed to have learned a lesson, seems to maybe have turned a corner, and less than a week later was the 420 funding secured tweet, which threw Tesla into a crazy maelstrom. And so we have to see if Elon has really turned a corner this time again and see if he's going to get out of the way and let Tesla get there.
Can you talk to me about Twitter? Why is the stock up big today when they're saying that they purged millions of these fake accounts? I mean, average monthly users, monthly users down by millions, and yet the stock goes up. Explain it.
Well, revenue beat incredibly by about $50 million, if I remember it correctly. And what Twitter has to do now, because they are going to have trouble getting these monthly active users, one thing they did say is that daily active users rose by 9%. And the thing there is you have to find power users and throw ads in front of their eyeballs. And that's why they've been able to raise their revenue, even as they've had trouble attracting more users, is because they get more revenue out of the users who are using it a lot. Snap is the same way. They'll report this afternoon, and they're trying to make sure that the users that they do have, they make more money out of. And if they can do that, then the user growth issue is not as much of an issue when you're looking at the top and bottom lines.
Got it. Jeremy, thank you very much. I'm sure we'll see you again soon. Thank you, sir.
Great. Thanks, Stu.